When was the last time you've listened to yourself? The last time you felt yourself? Seen yourself? Found yourself? When was the last time you were truly you? Not the you your boss wants, or your friends, partner, not even the you want, but the you are. It's a luxury to be yourself, and luxury means something else today. It means breathing, moving, changing, watching, feeling. It means being healthy, free, spontaneous, motivated, being inspired, being curious, being taken care of, taken care for. It means experiencing local traditions, culture, food, people, experiencing the wilderness in nature, the wilderness of yourself. Adventure isn't always to be found outside. Sometimes it's about looking inside. Explore the Wondernature, discover yourself. Zeleni, Kras and Gorski, Kotar.